Today is all about rotisserie chicken. I am going to show you how to make this $5 chicken into two delicious and easy to make meals. Two meals I'm making today will be this cut up chicken. I call it asado. And I cut up this chicken, the breast, and that's going to be, all of these is going to be for my chicken buffalo soup. Starting with the chicken asado, I'll be using garlic, onions, and tomato paste. I already put a little bit of the toyomansi, which is soy. It's like a soy sauce with Philippine lemon. But if you don't have this, you can use the regular soy sauce and just put a little bit of lemon or lime. This will be real easy because the chicken is already cooked, so we're just making the sauce. So I put about a tablespoon of garlic. Now I don't want to burn my garlic, so now I can just, when it's like a little bit cooked like that, you can see that it starts turning brown. You put onions on it. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now I'm going to add my chicken. Since the chicken is already done, I want the flavor to soak in the chicken, so I'm just gonna cover it and turn it low. And you can keep it like that for, let's say, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and it's ready. I'm gonna show you how to serve it later. This time I cook real rice. Second recipe is the chicken buffalo soup. I'll start with 2 tablespoons of butter. Melt the butter, and I can add my onions. This is half an onion because my onions are big, so I'm only going to use half. I have 3 stalks of celery chopped, and I also gonna add garlic to this. Tablespoon of garlic. Add to that. I want to cook the onions and celery until it's tender and translucent. Now I can add my chicken. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing, the powder one. 1/4 cup of sriracha sauce. It's not that bad, believe me. If you don't want it spicy, just don't add this much. You can cut back on your hot sauce. But I might even have to add to our soup because we all love spicy food. So mix it together, and then now I can add the chicken broth. Since chicken broth has a lot of sodium, I'm adding water to it. I'm going to add about 3 cups of water. And I'm going to simmer it for about 20 minutes. While the soup is cooking, my chicken asado is done. I'm just getting a scoop of rice to serve my chicken asado. That's the chicken asado, ready for you. The soup's been simmering for 20 minutes. I can add a cup of cheese and a 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And if you want your soup to be thick, you can put cornstarch, but we use santan gum. Now I'm ready to serve it. Here's the chicken buffalo soup. Perfect soup for these winter, cold, snowy days. These are 2 delicious and easy to make meal out of a $5 rotisserie chicken. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Try it, you'll enjoy it.